Need to replace the chimney on your Traeger Pro 575? Today we're swapping it for a brand new one. We'll walk it in clean technical diagrams to see the repair from angles that are hard to catch on camera. It's an easy job, about 15 minutes with a Phillips screwdriver. Let's get into it. Step 1. But first, power switch off, cord unplugged, and everything cool. Then, we can work. The chimney is the pipe standing up off the top of the barrel. Start right at the top of it and take the cap off. Photograph it first so you can put it back exactly where it was. Step 2. Down at the bottom, the pipe sits on a flange against the barrel and screws hold that flange down. Back them all out and keep them together. They are the only things holding the pipe on. Step 3. Now lift the pipe straight up and off. Underneath it is the gasket, and it usually comes away in pieces. That gasket is why smoke goes up the chimney instead of leaking out around the base. Step 4. Scrape the old gasket and the caked soot off the barrel all the way around the hole. Use something stiff and non-metallic so you don't gouge the paint. The new pipe on a lumpy seat will leak. Step 5. Lay the new gasket down on the clean seat, lined up with the screw holes. It costs a few dollars, and it is the only thing sealing that joint. Fit one every time the pipe comes off. Step 6. Bring the new chimney down over the gasket and line the flange holes up with the holes in the barrel. Sit it down flat and start every screw by hand before you tighten any of them. Then, bring them down evenly, working across, not round in a circle. Firm, not gorilla tight. Over-tighten it, and you crush the gasket you just paid for. Step 7. Last, the cap goes back on top of the pipe, set the same way it came off. Check it against your photo. That cap keeps rain out of your grill, so don't leave it in the garage. Now let's make sure it's working. First, before you light it, hold the pipe and give it a push. It should not move on the flange. Second, fire it up and watch the top. All of your smoke should be going up and out of the chimney. Third, look at the base. No smoke creeping out around the flange. That's the new gasket doing its job. And last, set it to 350 degrees and let it hold. Pass all of these, and this repair is finished. 2 quick things before you go. First, do you actually need a new chimney or just a clean one? Soot and creosote scrape off, and Traeger wants you checking for both twice a year anyway. Replace the pipe when it's rusted through or when the flange is warped and won't sit flat. And second, do you need the gasket? Yes, it's a few dollars, and it is the only seal between the pipe and the barrel. Smoke leaking out at the base is smoke that never went through your food. Before you go, 2 quick ways to make this new chimney last. First, inspect it. Traeger says to check the exhaust for creosote and grease at least twice a year, and creosote burns extremely hot if it ever catches. And second, keep it covered, cap on, and a cover over the whole grill so water isn't sitting inside that pipe rusting it from the inside out. Keep it dry, and this repair will last for years. That's it. Everything we used is linked in the description below. If this video helped you out, please hit like and subscribe, and check out these other videos. Thanks for watching.